What's up, you guys? A trucking man. So, this month I am saying goodbye to my one bedroom apartment that I'm paying $1,250 a month for. I have family in Ohio. That is where I am moving. My new employer is in Oklahoma. And why not move by family? Two bedroom houses, $800 a month. One bedroom apartments, $600 a month. Bring cost of living down, income goes up. And as a trucker, we can go anywhere in the world, right? Or United States, nationally or internationally, and make close to the same, sometimes even more. And cost of living goes down. So, this is part of my plan. It's part of, you know, making it in life, so to speak. And in no time, I don't want to speak on, the plan there in the long run, because I want it to be a surprise on this channel when you see all sorts of cool shit in the background and not all of this. You know what I mean? But anyways, some of you truckers out there, comment down below on your journey when you started trucking. How long did it take you to realize, hey, you know what? Maybe where I'm at isn't the best place in life, and you know what, man, I'm gonna give this trucking a shot, or I'm gonna make a move. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that. You see, guys, if you're running on the same hamster wheel every single day, well, you gotta get off of that hamster wheel and relocate and start running on a new one. And that's just the awesome thing about trucking, man, is, like I said, you've got options as far as moving around. You won't take a hit and pay. And, all around, it's just a win-win. I'm going to be right there by the Mississippi River. Well, it actually becomes the Ohio River. And, by Kentucky. I forget the name of the city that's just south of Cincinnati, but yeah, it's right there in Kentucky. I think it's like Daytonville or something like that. But yeah, that's what's up. That's where we're going. I'm still not going to disclose the name of my new employer just yet, but it is more money, right? I'm going to be paying less on a place to live, looking at land, looking at, just all that sort of thing. So, short-term sacrifice for the long-term gain, and it's beautiful over there. It's not really a sacrifice. For some people, making a move like this would be a sacrifice, and if you're in a bind, especially here in California, and you're a trucker, get the fuck out, right? It's hard going to a new place when you're by yourselves. Fortunately, we have family already there, so that's cool. And if that was the case and I didn't have family out there, well, then the lady and my daughter would be staying here with family, right? And I would go off and do what I need to do. Live in that truck, make it happen, because if you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm also on child support. So I pay $143 a week plus another $180. And that's the cool thing with this new company. The insurance is going down to $90 a month for all of us. So that's another small benefit, that's going to go down. But anyways, just keeping you guys up to date on everything that's happening. I had a moment. We're getting everything ready to get moved. For the most part, I think we're pretty much just leaving everything here. With the exorbitant amount of money we're going to be saving, before we even make the move, it'll be really easy to, get a washer and a dryer and all that we might need. But it sounds like that's already going to be provided. Washer and dryer, and there's going to be a refrigerator. So thumbs up, man. Ohio's great. So anyways, you guys, I know you may have seen in the past videos I've made about life is about creating yourself, not finding yourself. You'll find a lot of people saying, oh, you just gotta find yourself. Nah, man, you have to create yourself. You have to find something that you're passionate about, right? Most of the time, something you're passionate about isn't exactly going to make you money. So in that moment, you've got to find yourself an occupation that's going to be able to fund that said thing that you love doing, right? You love your family, you love your, not so much your occupation, but your hobby, right? Hey, if your hobby makes you money, there you go. Luckily, I love trucking, right? So thank God that I love my occupation. That's a blessing. So create yourself. It's not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. So anyways, a trucking man, thanks for coming back. I want to hear some of your success stories, some of you that have already reached your short and long-term goals, so that in turn can motivate me and in turn can motivate everyone else. That's what this is all about, man. A trucking man, thanks for coming back. All you truckers out there, stay safe. See you on the road, man.